If you're watching this video, then you likely want to purchase the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Well, I'm here to help you decide if this phone's camera is worth your money. My name is Neha Singh, you're watching me on Gadgets 360 and let's get started. Let's first see what camera modes we have on this phone. So this is ultra wide, this is primary camera. Then we have portrait mode. From here you can adjust the blur, and then next night mode. And in the more section we have short film, panorama, pro, AI watermark, time lapse, slow motion, edit and long exposure. And when it comes to video, you only get 4K in 30 FPS, you don't get in 60 FPS. But you can surely record videos in 1080p in 60 FPS. And you can only record selfie video in 1080p in 30 and 60 FPS. You don't have 4K mode in this one. Now sit back and enjoy, because now we'll show you all the pictures and videos we clicked on this phone. At the end, I would like to know from you what you think of this phone's camera. Tell me in the comments if you would consider buying this phone for its camera. Well, my name is Neha Singh. I'll sign off and follow Gadgets 360 for more such videos like this.